What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Vivo X90 Pro. I have already reviewed Vivo X90 and Vivo X90 Pro Plus. So this is the third video of Vivo X90 series trio. And yeah, I have tried to do some comparison of this Vivo X90 Pro with that Vivo X90 and Vivo X90 Pro Plus. So I wish that you will enjoy this video. One request before we start the video. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, Vivo X90 Pro comes in a nice typical Vivo packaging. Nothing different than Vivo X90 and X90 Pro Plus. After opening the top lid, here comes our Vivo X90 Pro. We need to put the phone aside for a while cause we need to check what other things we have got inside the box. Underneath the phone, there is a transparent protective case. I am disappointed cause Vivo X80 Pro came with a premium protective case. There is a user guide included along with a SIM ejector tool. Vivo have provided a USB-C to USB-C cable, not a premium quality cable. It's the same cable that I have got inside the box of X90. Vivo have also provided a 120 watt GAN charger. This is a classic Vivo Flash Charge 120 watt charger. Let's unwrap this Pro smartphone. This is our Vivo X90 Pro. I have chosen this black colored edition cause I think this one looks more premium than the red colored one. Vivo X90 Pro has a metal frame and leather back. Personally, I like this design a lot. Side by side with Vivo X80 Pro, Vivo X90 Pro design is more attractive and gorgeous. Vivo has taken the design of Vivo X80 Pro and changed a few things here and there to give it a new outlook. I think the changes have worked. X90 Pro looks way better than its predecessor. As I have mentioned earlier, Vivo X80 Pro comes with a Herschel premium protective case while Vivo X90 Pro comes with a cheap TPU silicon protective case. Side by side with its younger brother Vivo X90, X90 Pro looks the same, almost identical. Vivo X90 Pro has a bigger and wider rear camera block. Vivo X90 Pro is also slightly thicker than X90 and it has a better IP rating. X90 got IP64 rating and X90 Pro got IP68 rating. Side by side with Vivo X90 Pro Plus, again there isn't no difference. One more time, almost identical. On the left, it's X90 Pro Plus, on the right, it's X90 and in the middle, it's X90 Pro. On top, there is a IR transmitter, a secondary noise cancellation microphone and two antenna bands. At the bottom, there is a dual SIM tray, primary microphone, USB-C port, antenna band and speaker grill. Volume rockers and power button all are on the right side. I personally like this design cause it's easy to access the buttons. There is nothing on the left side, it's a clean slate. The rear panel of this X90 Pro is a vegan leather panel which is definitely better than X80 Pro's rear panel. Okay, I would give this X90 Pro 8 out of 10 for outlook and appearance, 10 out of 10 for build quality. If you want to check the specifications of this Vivo X90 Pro, you can pause the video and check the specifications. Okay, when I have checked the display panel, I had only one word in my mind: downgrade. Yeah, this is really a big downgrade. Vivo X90 Pro not only comes with the same SoC as Vivo X90, it also has the same display panel of Vivo X90. Yeah, Vivo X90 Pro got the same 6.78-inch AMOLED panel like its younger brother Vivo X90. It's not even a 2K panel. Reminder, Vivo X80 Pro got a 2K AMOLED panel. So definitely it's a downgrade. Side by side with Xiaomi 13 Pro, X90 Pro's display panel isn't that great. Anyway, all the standard features are there: dark mode, reading mode, 120Hz refresh rate, 2160Hz pulse width modulation, visual enhancement. Yeah, it's full of features. But one more time, it's not a QHD Plus 2K panel and color calibration isn't as great as its competitors. The thing is, Red Magic 8 Pro Plus also has a FHD AMOLED panel, but the performance of Red Magic 8 Pro Plus display panel is way better. It has better color calibration. I am disheartened by the display performance of this Vivo X90 Pro. This panel suits well with Vivo X90, but for this Pro edition, Vivo should have used something better. Vivo X90 Pro, like its siblings, comes with a stereo speaker setup. There is a bottom speaker which, along with the earpiece together, offers stereo sound. There is no dedicated second speaker on top. I don't know why Vivo never put enough effort to improvise the sound quality. I'm not very satisfied with the speaker performance, especially considering the price and segment. It's a letdown.
Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit.
Let's check some synthetic benchmark scores and performance. I personally prefer and trust 3DMark. This is known as Gamer's Benchmark because this one offers accurate and useful information. There are some different options, but I always run Wildlife Extreme Stress Test. Let's see how good is the performance of this MediaTek Dimensity 9200. Look at this. Vivo X90 has managed to get the highest loop score, 3646. Highest score of Vivo X90 Pro is 3637. Stability of both the X90 Pro and X90 is the same, 98.3%. This is insane. Vivo X90 really hits the deck hard, and even the lowest loop score of X90 is better than the lowest loop score of Vivo X90 Pro. The truth is, performance of Dimensity 9200 is as good as Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. And as Vivo X90 Pro, X90, both the devices comes with the same Dimensity 9200 SoC, performance of these two smartphones are almost identical. Time for Antutu benchmark. I have mentioned earlier, I like and prefer 3DMark over Antutu, cause I have noticed many times that Antutu scores don't transform into real-life performance. Moreover, almost all the Chinese brands, in their release events, always claim that their phones can achieve a very high Antutu score, but in reality, I have never managed to achieve as much as they promise. Vivo X90 Pro with Dimensity 9200 has scored 1,212,000. Xiaomi 13 Pro with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 has scored 1,261,000. The difference isn't so big. Rather, CPU performance of Dimensity 9200 is better than Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Well, one more time, Vivo X90 actually gets almost the same score of Vivo X90 Pro in Antutu benchmark. So from the synthetic benchmark scores, it's clear that Vivo X90 Pro doesn't offer any better performance than Vivo X90. But what about real-life performance? I mean gaming performance. Like any other Vivo X series smartphones, there is a performance panel where we can select between battery saver, balanced mode, and boost. I have checked all these modes in different games. I think for most of the games, you wouldn't need to go for the boost mode. The balanced mode is good enough. But for games like Genshin Impact, you will need to select boost mode, and Vivo X90 Pro offers very steady performance for hours after hours. I need to mention here, Vivo X90 and X90 Pro gaming performance is almost the same. There is no such difference. If you wanna know whether there is any difference in gaming performance between Vivo X90 Pro and X90 Pro Plus, then no, I haven't seen any drastic difference. But yes, Vivo X90 Pro Plus offers slightly higher frame rate. The truth is, if you are a hardcore gamer, then I think you should go for a gaming device because Vivo X series smartphones are camera-centric smartphones, but for general people, gaming on these devices, it's more than enjoyable. Vivo X90 Pro is a camera-centric flagship, but Vivo has silently downgraded the ultra-wide sensor. It was Sony IMX598 48-megapixel sensor in Vivo X80 Pro, which is now available in Vivo X90 Pro Plus, but in Vivo X90 Pro, Now it is Sony IMX663 12 megapixel sensor. So yeah, I really hate this change. I have done a separate camera comparison video between Xiaomi 13 Pro and Vivo X90 Pro cause both of these two smartphones comes with the same Sony IMX989 50 megapixel 1-inch sensor. Vivo these days offers a very good camera performance and X90 Pro has smashed Xiaomi 13 Pro in that camera comparison video. But at the same time, I have to accept that camera performance of Vivo X90 Pro is nowhere near Vivo X90 Pro Plus. There is a huge difference in hardware and real-life camera performance. Vivo X90 Pro Plus has a better ultra-wide sensor, a better telephoto sensor along with a periscope lens. I think Vivo has released this X90 Pro to fill the gap between X90 and X90 Pro Plus. But I don't like the idea cause camera performance of Vivo X90 is already very good. Vivo X90 Pro doesn't bring anything super special over Vivo X90. You check by yourself and let me know your thoughts and ideas. Also, if you want me to do any other dedicated camera comparison video, then please let me know in the comment section. Vivo X90 Pro comes with a 4870 mAh battery and supports 120 watt wired and 50 watt wireless charging. I have managed to squeeze up to 6 hours and 35 minutes in high 1260p resolution and 7 hours in 1080p resolution. Decreasing the refresh rate down to 60 Hz also helps to preserve battery. Vivo X90 Pro takes around 25 minutes to get fully charged using the provided 120 watt charger and 37 minutes with a 50 watt Vivo Flash Charge wireless charger. I am truly surprised and impressed by the wireless charging speed. If you want safety net support, then it's good that Vivo X90 Pro supports safety net, and it also comes with Widevine L1 certification, so we can actually enjoy HD streaming without any issues. As usual, Vivo X90 Pro comes with Android 13 out of the box and Google services works without any issues. Now we can extend up to 8GB of RAM and there are a lot of multi-turbo options which helps us to extract the best performance from this X90 Pro. Vivo X90 Pro is not equipped with a 3D ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which is another downgrade, cause Vivo X80 Pro comes with a 3D ultrasonic sensor. I really don't like this downgrade. I don't know why Vivo had to do a lot of downgrades. Well, if you are interested in face unlock option, then as usual there is a 2D face unlock option available, and now even we can have alternative looks registered. So unlocking with face unlock option is much easier and faster than before. Oh, by the way, the old school fingerprint sensor of Vivo X90 Pro works fine, it's fast, but I have noticed some lags and hiccups here and there. Well, finally, let me tell you clearly, if I had to choose a new smartphone, then I would leave these two Pro editions. I would neither buy the Xiaomi 13 Pro nor the Vivo X90 Pro. I would go for Vivo X90 because that one offers better value for money. In some cases, X90 even offers better performance than Vivo X90 Pro. However, if you want a better main sensor for slightly better camera performance, then okay, you can go for Vivo X90 Pro. Okay, one more thing, I have already got Oneplus 11 and Red Magic 8 Pro Plus. So yeah, if you want me to do a comparison between Vivo X90 Pro and OnePlus 11 or Red Magic 8 Pro Plus, or if you want me to do any other comparison videos, then please let me know in the comment section below. Make a comment and share your thoughts and ideas. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
Every time